Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Hey everybody, thanks for watching that video. We really appreciate everyone that's subscribed to our channel, that supports us with the thumbs up, with the comments. It really means a lot. So we've been traveling full-time for over a year now, and I have to say the nomadic lifestyle has been amazing. But it might appear like it's all fun and games, and I just want to set the record straight that that is not the case. Living a nomadic lifestyle is extremely challenging at times. It can be extremely difficult. I actually work a full-time job. I work every day 9 to 5, just like most people, except I work remotely. So I work for a software company that has a remote workforce, and that's the way we make this thing work. But it really is worth it, even though it's difficult sometimes, because of the places that we get to see, the people that we get to know and meet. And that's what makes it all worth it. So we have some incredible videos coming up. I'm super pumped to share them with you. For those that are longtime subscribers to our channel, you'll have seen a lot of footage in this video that you've not seen anywhere else. And that's because most of this footage is from videos that are yet to be released. Coming up, we are going to be sharing with you our drive across the country of Mexico and sharing some amazing places and peoples that we've visited. So I'm going to say it one more time. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, consider doing so. We'd love to have you along on our million adventures. See ya.